Welcome to the George Mason University Libraries tutorial on finding full text using the Mason catalog. After using this tutorial, you will be able to get full text of journal articles, news articles, and other online resources as you search the library catalog. There are a couple of different ways to get full text from the Mason catalog. Once you know what links to look for, you'll know the steps to take to get the article you need. Let's look at an example. Begin on the library homepage, library.gmu.edu, and type Sea Turtle Conservation in the main search box. We only want digital content, so let's navigate to the Availability category of the Refine Your Results menu on the left-hand side of the page, and select Available Online. Some results show a Download PDF button. Select this button to open a PDF of the article. A new tab will open. You may be asked to log in with your George Mason credentials. Once logged in, the PDF of the text is instantly available. But what happens when Download PDF isn't available? Let's return to our search results to learn about another way to get full text. Some items on our results page have a link with the text available online. Let's select that link. This opens the full item record. Once there, find the section called View Online and the subsection called Full Text Availability. Under Full Text Availability, the page lists the databases which have access to the article. Take note of the date range under each database to ensure your article is within that scope. This article is from the year 2021, so we are covered if we select a database that includes results from that year. Let's click the link for the database, EBSCOhost Environment Complete. A new tab should open to give you access to the full text of the resource. Each content provider has its own look, so if you don't see full text on the page right away, you may need to look for an Access Options button, a Download PDF button, or something similar to view the full text. In this database, we'll select the Access Options button and then select the PDF button from the drop-down menu that appears. In this tutorial, you learned how to get full text of online resources as you search the library catalog. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.